Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make coconut cookies. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So for this recipe you'll need butter or margarine. I've used 100 grams of margarine. Then we're going to add a half cup of icing sugar. After that you're going to mix icing sugar and the margarine so that they can be well combined. After giving it a good mix, your mixture should be as shown in this video. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then we're going to give it a good mix. You'll then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to sift it as shown in this video so that while mixing it won't have any lumps. After that you're going to add a half cup of desiccated coconut or coconut flakes. You'll then mix to form a cookie dough. Thank you so much my returning subscriber for always choosing Terry's Kitchen, and to my new subscriber, you are very much welcome here. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that you won't miss any upload. Your cookie dough should be as shown in this video. After that you're going to transfer the dough into a piping bag which has a nozzle. Then you're going to pipe your cookies as shown in this video. After all is done, you're going to bake them on a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees. And after 20 minutes, your cookies should be ready. You're going to remove them and put them on a rack so that they can cool completely before serving them. As you can see from this video, our cookies turned out so well. They look so delicious and crunchy. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. After that, you are going to store them in an airtight container. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please do give it a like, comment and share with others. And if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.